There's no doubt that artificial intelligence has had a tremendous effect on our lives as humans thus far. We use it on a daily basis, whether that be through Google searches, social media recommendations, or video games. Some important questions arise when we think about the state of artificial intelligence. Where is the technology now, and where will it be in the future? What will an AI-powered future look like? In the year 1950, Alan Turing published his paper on thinking machines, which marked the start of computers. Just 6 years later, in 1956, John McCarthy presented his definition of artificial intelligence, a huge milestone towards the start of more intelligent systems. In the 1980s, systems using logic rules and reasoning algorithms were developed. This happened around the same time Neuromancer by William Gibson was written, a sci-fi novel in which the term cyberspace was popularized. In the early 2000s, neural networks began to see the light of day. It wasn't until recently that deep learning was utilized thanks to increasing computational speeds. In 2015, AlphaGo, a program that plays the board game Go, became the first program to beat a human professional player.
That's a very surprising move.
Just a few years later, AlphaGo Zero was developed, a program that learned to play Go through self-teaching. First introduced in 2020, OpenAI's GPT-3 transformer took the world of AI by storm with its incredibly human-like text generation. More recently, two popular text-to-image transformers were introduced. OpenAI's DALL 2 boasts incredible photorealistic images generated from a single text input, and Google's Imagen displays the same capabilities with several key features, including the ability to write text in images. Nexto is a machine learning bot that plays Rocket League, a video game with complex mechanics that would be difficult for an AI to execute. The latest version of the bot is around Grand Champion level, which puts it in the top 0.11% of all players. Ray Kurzweil, an American inventor and futurist, predicts that AI will have the same level of intelligence as humans by 2029. AI in our future could have far-reaching implications for the future of humanity. AI will help in all facets of human life, including automation, medical advances, research and data analysis, decision-making, and driving. There's also many potential risks to the future of AI. In Ex Machina, Ava reaches human-level consciousness and uses her intelligence to escape her confinement at the cost of human life.
Go back to your room.
In Her, an advanced human-level operating system forms a deep relationship with Theodore, the main character.
Hello, I'm here.
Oh. Hi.
In Chappie, a police robot is tested with a new AI system to which he awakes as a conscious robot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Space. Whoa, 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 whoa.
In the 2017 movie Ghost in the Shell, Motoko awakes in a mechanical body with her human brain still intact. A big milestone in the world of artificial intelligence is Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. Contrary to narrow AI, AGI is basically when a program can do everything a human can do. Some people believe AGI will be ready within the next 5 to 10 years through scaling of existing neural networks, and some believe it will take much longer. We can only hope that AGI will be achieved within our lifetimes as long as research continues to progress. To better understand what an AI-powered future would look like, we can look into the cyberpunk genre and its origins. The post-apocalyptic high-tech low-life aesthetic was first introduced in the new wave science fiction movement of the 1960s and 1970s. Popular modern movies like Blade Runner 2049 and Ghost in the Shell show what this neon holographic world might look like. The signature run-down city atmosphere with floating neon holograms portray the advanced artificial intelligence and cybernetics of the time. How close are we to this cyberpunk life? In China, modern megacities replicate this style in real life. Skyscrapers sprawl with colorful signs, and streets are lit up by advertisements and glowing lights. Unlike the cyberpunk scene in movies, these cities hold the beauty of the style without the breakdown of values. To get a better picture of what a cyberpunk future might look like, I told GPT-3 to describe a cyberpunk city, and this is what it came up with. The future cyberpunk city street is a bustling place with people walking to and fro, and the air is thick with the smell of frying food and exhaust fumes. The buildings are tall and close together, their windows lit up with bright neon holograms advertising the latest products and services. The street is lined with food stalls and small shops, and the occasional street performer can be seen trying to make a few credits. Augmented reality plays a big role in the cyberpunk genre. It's what allows there to be digital animations on buildings and on the streets. As of right now, AR technology is in its infancy. We have basic AR phone apps that let you place objects in the world which you see through your phone screen. The Microsoft HoloLens invites productivity in AR, letting you open windows and interact more precisely with AR objects. In the future, will we have more effective AR applications? In Altered Carbon, Takashi Kovacs puts a device in his eye that allows him to see neon holograms around him. In Blade Runner 2049, Kay's girlfriend Joy is a holographic program.
Bon appetit.
As we move into the future, we can assume that technology in the areas of AI research and virtual and augmented reality will continue to advance. One day we may reach a place where a cyberpunk world is realized with hopefully the good parts and not the bad parts. It's exciting to think about what may come, especially as research continues to improve. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, do subscribe for more like this. I'll see you in the next one.